it's confession time. We lied. We said we would never buy another Belk advent calendar. Guess what we bought? We were curious. Curiosity killed the cat, and satisfaction brought it back. Last year's calendar arrived looking like an elephant had drop-kicked it across the room. This year, it arrived actually looking like a calendar. And we did not pay the full price. For a while there, they were asking their $50 price. There's no way in heck that we was gonna pay that. But they had it on sale for $10. So we bought it out of curiosity. At $50, each item would have been $4.17. At $10, each item is 83 cents. These are definitely past their prime. And yes, we got them last year. To be exact, everything is the same, so we're going to pop up a picture as proof. I was curious to know if everything would be the same, and sure enough, it was. These are supposed to be the eye patches that you put in the fridge to cool them down before you plunk them on your eye. These have lost all of their oomph. To be exact, the ones from last year lasted once, and then I had to toss them because they flattened out. So these are in such bad shape, they're going right in the trash. Just like last year, there's the same little set of equipment pieces. And this is all one day. I gotta give it to them on that. Many calendars would split this up into 3. They did this all as one day. You get tweezers, a spoolie, and, oops, I'm almost dropping things here, a little mini brush that is probably more for an eyeliner, maybe an eyeshadow, but 3 items in one day. For, what did I say, 83 cents? Yep, that's what you said, 83 cents. Yeah, I'd give you 83 cents for that. There are 3 reusable cloths again, and this time they came in a bag. I don't think we had a bag last time. I don't recall having a bag last time, but hold that for me. 3 little cotton cloths, and I've used the ones from last year. They're kind of probably ready to be put out to pasture and replaced with some new ones. They're not the greatest terry cloth quality, but they've served their purpose well. And for 83 cents, there's 3 of them. There's 2 little hair clippies, just like last year. Yeah, great for holding your hair back during makeup or cleansing your face. Not opposed to these. And at 83 cents, I mean, I sure wouldn't give you $4 and change for them, but 83 cents. The hairband is still there. Yeah, a cute little elastic hairband. Hold your hair back while you're doing your makeup. And in all honesty, I mean, this is, okay, it's not real fancy material, but, you know, if you had an event, it's a little late for Halloween, save it for next Halloween if you had an event. Oh yeah, I remember this from last year. She thinks it's a teething ring. Technically, it's supposed to be a lip scrubber. There are little scrubbies on there. I originally thought that because it had a little suction cup on the back, that it was supposed to be for scrubbing out your makeup brushes. Give it. I thought you would stick that on the side of the sink and then could scrub your makeup brushes. That's what I've been using it for. Technically, it's supposed to be a lip scrubber, Or I think it makes a nice little teasing ring. This is a cutely colored hair claw clip. Yep. It's definitely on the stiff side. Oh, there we go. I got it to open up. My fine hair, this sort of slid on through, so I might be passing this along. I honestly don't know what happened to the one from last year. I don't know if I passed it along or what, but it is cute makeup sponge. And I readily admit, I used this one from last year. It's decent squishiness. When it gets wet, it does enlarge its size, so it becomes softer. I like sponges with a flat edge. I find that is easier for dabbing on blush or a little contour or a little highlighter. So I'm happy to get this again for 83 cents. I don't know if I'd give you $4 and change for it, but for 83 cents. Another product that we got last year, and I have been using this for different masks, in as much as I prefer a brush, and it does pass the bristle test of nothing flopping or pulling out. And the other side is a plastic flexible spatula. I prefer a brush for masks, but some of them I have found this year work better with a spatula. So I'm not opposed to getting this. And would I give you 83 cents for it? Definitely. Would I give you $4 and change for it? If I didn't have one, maybe. We got the same set of sparkly nail wraps. I'll be passing these along. My problem is my fingernails are so slim that getting the right size with nail wraps and press-on nails just doesn't work for me. But in a little calendar for 83 cents, maybe. Definitely not $4 and change. There's the sleeping mask, same as last year. Not something I would use because I don't like things around my head when I sleep, but I will say the elastic is got a decent rebound to it, so I don't think it's going to fall apart after one use. And it does seem fairly soft and cushy. The sleeping mask isn't my thing, but if it's your thing, hey. And the last item. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Nail file. Oh, brother. At least it's really. I'm beginning to wonder if I should start a tally of how many nail files we get and what boxes they come in. Did you see anything that you liked? Do you forgive us for lying to you? Because we said we'd never buy it again. Comment down below. We had fun with this box for $10. It was worth lying to y'all. So sorry about that. You're grinning. You don't look ashamed or sorry. Well, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with others. It's a fun and wild Advent season that we got going on here. Oh, yes, it is fun. Hope to see you in another video. Don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. We'll try not to lie anymore.